Hey, eco-warriors and gift givers, did you know switching to just one reusable product can save over 1,000 single-use items from landfills annually? Today, we're counting down the top eco-friendly gifts that'll make Mother Nature blush with joy. All links are waiting in the description. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5, the adjustable flower candle warmer lamp. This vintage-inspired beauty from GadgetsPrimer.com's top picks boasts a 4.8 rating. It melts candles flamelessly, has a timer to prevent all-night wax parties, and doubles as decor so fancy, your guests might think you hired an interior designer. Pro tip, use the dimmer to set the mood when your in-laws visit. Next up, the Friendsheep wool dryer balls that'll make your laundry routine brilliant. With a 4.6 GadgetsPrimer.com rating, these Nepalese-made fluff balls cut drying time by 40% while being gentler than a lamb's sneeze. They're perfect for sensitive skin and come in packaging so cute, you might forget they're for chores. At number 3, meet the Diatomaceous Earth Dish Drying Mat, the Houdini of kitchen gadgets. This 4.4 rated absorbent wizard drinks water faster than a camel at an oasis. Collapsible design? Check. Multi-use magic? Double check. Just don't spill wine on it. Unlike your last dinner party, this mat prefers to stay stain-free. Sprinting into second place, Jazon's 400-piece Compostable Party Kit, rated 4.7 by GadgetsPrimer.com. This sugarcane and cornstarch army handles everything from steak to cake. Microwave safe, oil resistant, and strong enough to survive your uncle's legendary BBQ ribs. Bonus, zero dishwashing means more time for, well, not doing dishes. Drum roll for our champion, Bees Wraps Vegan Food Wraps. These 4.6 rated kitchen superheroes cling tighter than a koala to eucalyptus. Made with plant wax and organic cotton, they'll keep your sandwiches fresh and your conscience cleaner. Pro tip, when they retire after a year's service, compost them or watch them spark joy as fire starters. There you have it, eco gifts that don't suck. For full reviews and price comparisons on all these earth-loving gems, scamper over to GadgetsPrimer.com. Smash that subscribe button, and remember, every green choice counts, even if it's just hiding disposable plates from your mother-in-law. Stay awesome, planet savers!